Nextbase 622GW delivers a near-perfect blend of exceptional video quality and innovative features, making it the ultimate runner-up for 2025. With its ability to record in stunning 4K UHD at 30 FPS, every detail on the road, such as license plates and road signs, is captured with remarkable clarity. It also includes advanced image stabilization to ensure smooth footage even on bumpy roads. The 622GW shines in low-light conditions with its enhanced night vision and has an extreme weather mode that cuts through fog or rain for clear video, making it a reliable choice for all driving environments. One of its standout features is the built-in emergency SOS system, which can alert emergency services with your exact location and pre-entered medical details in the event of a serious crash. Its GPS integration and what 3-word support allows pinpoint accuracy for location tracking. The device also supports Alexa for hands-free control and includes intelligent parking mode to protect your vehicle while unattended. Though slightly bulkier than some competitors, the 622GW's robust build, intuitive 3-inch touchscreen, and safety-driven features make it a top contender for drivers seeking reliable, high-quality protection with innovative technology. The Nextbase 622GW doesn't just stop at capturing exceptional footage. It goes above and beyond with features that prioritize safety and convenience. Its intelligent parking mode offers 24/7 monitoring, activating when motion or impacts are detected around your parked vehicle. This feature is invaluable for drivers who park in public spaces or areas with frequent traffic. Additionally, the 622GW's integration with Nextbase's modular rear and cabin cameras makes it an incredibly versatile system, catering to a wide range of drivers, from commuters to rideshare professionals. The 622GW is also designed for seamless usability. Its 3-inch HD touchscreen simplifies navigation through settings and footage, while the intuitive interface ensures a smooth user experience. Video clips can be shared instantly via the My Nextbase Connect app, which pairs effortlessly with your smartphone. Although it's slightly bulkier than other models, its durable build and cutting-edge features make it well worth the investment for drivers who want a high-quality dashcam with robust safety capabilities.